Have you ever wondered what it might be like to live near a black hole? For someone on Earth, a day could be thousands or even millions of years. What if everything you thought you knew about time, its constant, predictable flow, suddenly stopped making sense? Hi, I'm Arun Hamal, and in today's video, we're going on one of the wildest journeys through the universe, around a supermassive black hole. And trust me, by the end of this video, your perception of time will never be the same. Let's begin with the fundamentals. A black hole isn't just an object in the universe with enormous mass and gravity. It's a cosmic time machine, meaning it slows down time itself rather than transporting you to the past or future. It's much more than just a region of extreme gravity. The closer you get to a black hole, the more warped spacetime becomes. This means that time near a black hole runs much slower compared to areas where gravity is weaker, like Earth. Black holes are so massive that they don't just pull in objects. They actually stretch and warp the very fabric of space and time itself. This warping has an incredible effect. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves for you compared to someone far away. Imagine you're an astronaut venturing close to a black hole while your family stays safely on Earth. For you, everything feels normal. You're moving, breathing, and aging at your usual pace. But near the black hole, time moves so slowly that when you look back toward Earth, you'd see your family's lives speeding up like a time-lapse video. Your kids would grow up, graduate, and start families of their own. Your parents would age and pass away. Entire generations could come and go, while for you, only hours or days have passed. Now, imagine returning to Earth after what felt like just a month of exploring near the black hole. You land, excited to reunite with your family. But you find a planet that no longer feels like home. Everyone you knew is gone. Your family is long dead, and their descendants are the only ones left to welcome you. You're now a relic from a distant past. Think about the weight of that moment, the loneliness, the overwhelming loss. Sure, you've experienced the ultimate adventure, but at what cost? It's like time itself betrayed you, leaving you behind while the universe marched forward. It's both fascinating and deeply haunting, isn't it? It's like experiencing time travel without ever leaving the present moment. You've probably seen this in action in the movie Interstellar. Remember the scene on the water planet orbiting the black hole Gargantua? Just 1 hour on that planet equaled 7 years on Earth. That's not just Hollywood magic. It's grounded in real science. In fact, NASA's experiments with atomic clocks have already proven that time runs slower in stronger gravitational fields. The closer a clock is to Earth's surface, the slower it ticks compared to one at a higher altitude. Now scale that up to a supermassive black hole, and you get mind-bending time dilation on a cosmic level. But here's the real kicker. Time dilation near a black hole doesn't just slow down time. It completely changes how reality looks, depending on where you are. Imagine you're safely on Earth, watching someone near a black hole through a giant super telescope. From your perspective, it would look like they are paused in a video game, because their movements would appear to freeze. Every gesture, every heartbeat would seem to take forever. It's as if they're trapped in a time loop, barely moving at all. Meanwhile, from their perspective, they're moving normally, while the universe outside the black hole is speeding up at an unimaginable rate. Stars would appear to be born and die in the blink of an eye. It's like witnessing the entire history of the universe on fast forward. So, what do you think? Would you brave the edge of a black hole to experience this cosmic time warp? Or would you stay safely on Earth, where time ticks away at its usual pace? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And remember, the universe is far stranger than we can imagine. If this blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-bending science videos. Until next time, keep questioning everything.